Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful ombre nails using dip powder. And the two dip powders that I will be using are from Double Dip Nails. And if you would like to, you can use my code Elizabeth for 25% off Double Dip Nails, and all the links will be below. So it was actually super easy to create this ombre effect, and this was only the second time that I've worked with dip nails, and I was really impressed with the outcome, so let's get right into the tutorial. To start, I'll be applying a layer of peel-off base coat to all of my nails, just because I love changing up my nails, so this will allow me to pop off the nails pretty easily, and also stay tuned to the end of this video where you can see me pop them off because it is really satisfying. To start the ombre look, I'm applying a thin layer of the base dip liquid onto each nail one at a time, and then while the base is still wet, I'm just dipping my nail into the orange powder and tapping off the excess. And also, if you would like a full tutorial on how to do dip nails, you can click the card on the top right hand corner. We can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do, 'cause I'm feeling so... To start the ombre, I'm applying a layer of the dip base liquid over the orange that I had already applied. And for this ombre, you're going to really want to make sure that you have all of your products open and ready to go, because you will need to work quite quickly. I'm using a fan brush for this, but you could also use an old eyeshadow brush, and I am taking the pink powder first and lightly tapping it over my nail. I am starting it at the tip of my nail and then working it up to the cuticle of my nail, but stopping about halfway. Once you are finished with the pink, you'll want to go with your fan brush and dip into the orange powder and tap orange powder onto the rest of your nail. Again, you'll want to work quite quickly because the dip base liquid can dry quickly, and otherwise the powder won't stick to your nail. All you have to do is repeat this same process to all of your nails, again just working one nail at a time. One tip that I recommend is having a towel off camera to wipe your brush on in between switching colors, because that way you won't contaminate your orange container with the pink and vice versa. Another tip that I recommend is having some sort of container to tap the excess powder into for easy cleanup. I ended up using the cap of my pink powder, and I just tapped the excess powder on my nail into that container, and then before I closed my pink container, I just got rid of that powder as to not contaminate my container. Once you have completed that ombre technique for all of your nails, you're going to want to do another layer, so just applying the dip liquid again and completing those same steps. Once you have finished all of your nails, apply a layer of activator to prepare your nails for filing and buffing. You'll need to let the activator dry for at least 30 seconds before you start filing and buffing, and also most dip powder kits come with a file or buffer because you'll want to make sure that your nails are nice and smooth before you apply top coat. I'm using the top coat that my Double Dip Nails kit came with, and it does recommend that you apply 2 coats of top coat. The first is going to seal in the powder, and then the second is going to be what gives you that beautiful shine. So here are the ombre nails before I applied the palm tree vinyls. I thought the palm trees kind of gave it a more tropical summery look, but if you just wanted to go for a plain ombre effect, then you're done. This is it, and this is how beautiful they turned out. I had some old nail vinyls from What's Up Nails just laying around, so I used some tweezers and just applied the palm tree vinyl, and then added another layer of top coat over the vinyl to seal them in, and here's the finished look. I'm really happy with how these nails turned out. This was only my second time working with dip powder, so I am really impressed with myself, and I thought it was fairly easy to do, and it was really fun to work with these powders. It was just kind of different than working with regular nail polish. And that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to check out Double Dip Nails. I will have all the links below in the description box, and don't forget to use my code Elizabeth for 25% off. As promised, here are the nails popping off, and I think it's just really satisfying to watch.